and welcome to another episode of Intellect Digest. I am your host Dipali. So without much ado, let's get started. In this video, I will share 8 tips and tricks for iPhone owners so that you get the most out of your Apple device. First is turn on Assistive Touch. Turning on Assistive Touch on your iPhone will alleviate you from the trouble of tapping the home button again and again. You can tap the Assistive Touch button instead to get your task done. To turn on Assistive Touch on your iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then Assistive Touch, and then turn it on. The Assistive Touch icon by default is a small white circle inscribed in a square shape, but you can customize the gesture according to your own choice. Second is for taking screenshots. There are 2 ways which you can use to take screenshots on your iPhone. One way is to press home button and power on off button simultaneously to capture whatever is displayed on your screen at that time. Other option to take screenshot is with the help of Assistive Touch. If you have Assistive Touch activated on your device, then tap on Assistive Touch gesture, then device, then more, and then screenshot. Third is turn on alphanumeric passcode. Besides fingerprint and numeric passcodes, you can also put an alphanumeric passcode for your device. To enable alphanumeric passcode, go to Settings, Touch ID and Passcode, then turn Simple Passcode off. This will provide you with a bar to enter your new alphanumeric passcode. Next is switch between apps. Once you have launched an app on your iPhone, they keep running in the background. You can access those apps on your device by double tapping the home button of your device. If you have Assistive Touch enabled, then you can also double click on the home option to quickly access the apps running in the background. Next is use headphones to capture images. Our images often get blurred if our hands shake while clicking a picture. It is also inconvenient to hold the phone in our hands for long while deciding our pose. However, you can capture stunning shots from your iPhone by just pressing volume up or down button of your headphones. Sixth is undo typing. If you have mistakenly typed or pasted something on your device, then you can undo the typing or pasting by just shaking your device once. If you want the original message back, then shake your iPhone once more and you will be prompted with cancel or redo typing options. Choose redo if you want the original message back. Next is type faster with shortcuts. Adding shortcuts in your iPhone helps you type faster. You can add shortcuts like OMW for on my way and BRB for be right back and more. You can also add shortcuts for emote icons. These shortcuts will expand automatically into words or phrases that you will save. To enable shortcuts, go to Settings, then General, then Keyboards, and then Shortcut. 8th is set timer to stop music. iPhone users can stop the music playing on their device by setting a timer. To enable the timer to stop music, go to Clock app, then Timer, then when timer ends, and then scroll down and choose Stop Playing. Now set the timer when you want to stop the music. Did you try these tips and tricks on your iPhone? Share your experience with us in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please leave a thumbs up by pressing the like button. For more such videos from Intellect Digest, make sure you hit the red subscribe button. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.